sun-kissed beaches, vibrant markets, and the gentle lull of the ocean waves, Fiji beckons families for an unforgettable tropical getaway. But when a baby is part of your travel squad, preparation is key to a stress-free vacation. Here's your complete guide to enjoying Fiji with your littlest adventurer. Before you set foot on Fijian soil, ensure your baby's suitcase is brimming with essentials. High SPF sunscreen and baby-safe insect repellent are non-negotiables, guarding against the sun and pesky mosquitoes. Swim diapers are a must for those splashy moments, while hats and lightweight clothing will keep your baby cool under the Pacific sun. Don't forget to pack extra outfits for those inevitable spills, and a well-stocked first aid kit for peace of mind. Choosing where to stay is more than just about comfort, it's about convenience. Opt for accommodations that offer cribs and play areas, or go for self-catering to whip up familiar meals for your baby. Hotels with kids clubs are a godsend for parents needing a breather, and always consider how you'll navigate the island, whether by rental car or shuttle services. Fiji's not just for the grown-ups. Introduce your baby to the island's culture at a bustling local market, or dip tiny toes in the warm, shallow waters of a serene beach. A gentle boat ride can be a soothing experience, while a visit to a local farm will engage their budding senses. And don't miss out on the traditional Fijian performances, perfect for wide-eyed little spectators. Healthcare is accessible, with hospitals and clinics ready to offer pediatric care. Ensure your baby's vaccinations are up to date and pack enough prescription meds for the trip. A stash of over-the-counter remedies can also tackle those minor discomforts. Finding baby-friendly eateries is easier than you think. Look for places with high chairs and kid-friendly menus. Outdoor seating can be a boon for active babies, and when in doubt, pack some snacks for those on-the-go moments. Finally, plan, pack, and prepare for the unexpected. Fiji's warm embrace extends to its youngest visitors, so don't hesitate to ask locals for help. With a little foresight, your Fijian vacation can be as relaxing as the island's tranquil waters. Remember, a stress-free vacation with a baby is all about the details. Embrace the adventure, and Fiji will reward you with memories to last a lifetime. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.